In the future, what's the most valuable thing on Earth? It won't be gold, it won't be oil, it won't even be land. It'll be the same thing falling from your tap right now. A single drop of clean water. And a future where that drop costs more than a human life isn't centuries away. It isn't fiction. The only question is how far we go before we can't come back. This is the story of how humanity walks itself into a wasteland. Water is the rarest thing on our planet. We've searched Mars, Venus, Jupiter's moons, exoplanets light years away. We found ice and many, many other elements. But a world with liquid water? We found only one planet in the known universe, Earth. 71% of Earth is covered in water. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. 97% of that is salty ocean, undrinkable. The other 3% is mostly locked in glaciers or buried deep underground. The water we actually use is rivers, lakes, and shallow groundwater. It just makes 0.5% of all the water on Earth. 8 billion people. 0.5%. And we're draining it faster than the planet can refill it. Quietly, we're running out. And we're running out of time. Now picture this. Monsoons never come. Glaciers have gone empty decades ahead of schedule. Aquifers collapsing one after another. And heat waves boiling reservoirs dry in weeks. By 2070, every major country ration water, and water gets extremely expensive. By 2100, entire regions are abandoned. By 2126, water isn't a resource anymore, it's currency. It's a reason to kill. The people who survived didn't survive by luck, they survived by wars. The cities still standing are fortresses, built around the last desalination plants and the last working pumps. Inside, life almost feels normal. Lights work, food shows up, taps run on time. But there's one rule nobody breaks. You don't drink when you're thirsty. You drink when they let you. Nobody knows the names of the people running these cities. They aren't presidents, they weren't elected. They just own the pumps. And if they own the pumps, they own you. Every sip is a debt, and every meal is a favor. Those are the lucky ones. Outside the walls, there are no taps, no rations, no rules. Just dust drifting over cracked ground. The survivors out there chase water rigs. They fight over wet dirt. To them, water isn't something you drink. It's something you bury people for. Humanity didn't end here. It just stopped being human. The fantasy of the movie Mad Max is not a fantasy anymore. It's a reality. And that isn't even the worst part. The wars don't last. Because while people were busy killing each other, the planet itself was falling apart. With most of Earth's water gone, the water cycle collapses. That's the invisible system that kept our atmosphere stable. Without it, temperature swings go wild. Summers get hotter, winters get colder. Earth stops being a planet of seasons. It becomes a planet of extremes. Weather as a concept stops existing. Without water vapor, clouds barely form. No rain, no mist, no fog, no snow. Just dry, dead air drifting over the corpse of a planet. The sky stops being blue. It turns metallic by day, jet black at night, with stars sharper than any human has ever seen. Even the weight of the planet shifts. For billions of years, oceans press down on the sea floor. Now that pressure is gone. The crust readjusts. Earthquakes tear across continents. Volcanoes erupt on a scale we've never recorded. And the strangest part? Look at the moon. For billions of years, the moon has been drifting away from Earth, about an inch every year. What's pushing it? Our oceans. Their pull on the moon and the moon's pull back is what slowly kicks it outward. The push stops too. The moon freezes in place. 24 hours stays 24 hours. Forever. A planet that is stuck in time. And Earth's rotation, which had been slowing for billions of years because of those same tides, stop. We knew. We always knew this would happen. We just thought we had more time.